on another CSE review question for today. Number 6. Simplify the expression. 3 squared minus the quantity -4 plus 1 divided by 2. So, kapag ganito yung klase ng ating expression, titignan natin dito yung mga brackets and parentheses. So, meron tayo ditong bracket. Sa loob ng bracket na ito ay meron tayong parentheses. So, uunahin natin itong ating parentheses. So, let's start with this one. -4 plus 1, that is -3. Okay? Now, syempre, nasa loob yan ng bracket. Lahat ng mga nandiyan, yan yung uunahin natin. Let's copy, minus, and then 3 squared. Okay, simplify natin. 3 squared, that is 3 times 3, 9. Minus negative. So, magiging plus 3. Okay? So, what is 9 plus 3? That is 12. So, ito ngayon yung value ng ating bracket. Now, bago natin siya i-divide sa 2. So, 12 divided by 2 is positive 6. So, for our answer in number 6, that is positive 6. Thank you for watching.